Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain my experiment. The objective of this experiment is to build a machine learning model, perform necessary pre-processing, train the model, and evaluate its performance using suitable matrices. This helps in understand how the model learns from the data and makes prediction. The first one is to import the libraries. In first step, I import all the required libraries such as pandas and numpy for handling data. Matplotlib or Seaborn for visualization, and Skyscit-learn for learnings for libraries for model building and evaluation. These libraries provide all the necessary function for machine learning tasks. And the second question is to load the data set. Here I load the data set using pandas and display the first few rows. This helps me understand the structure of the data set, including the future, the data types, and the target values. And the third one is to standardize the data, like data pre-processing. In this step, I check for the missing or null values in the data set. If any values are missing, I handle them using an appropriate techniques like mean or model mode imputation. This ensure the data is clear and ready for further processing. And the fourth one is like initialization, like encoding categorical data. If the data contains categorical variable, I convert them into numerical format using technical like label encoding or one-hot encoding. This is important because machine learning models works only if with the numerical data. And the fifth question is to feature selection x and y. In this box, I separate the data set into an independent variable x and the dependent variable y. The independent variables are used for the prediction, while the dependent variable is the output we want to predict. And this is the output. You can see the table like visualization output. And the sixth one is to train test split. Here I train the data set into a training and testing sets. The training data is used to train the model and the testing is used for evaluating performance. This helps in checking how well the model generalized the new data. And here is the output. And the seventh one is the model creation. In this step, I create the machine learning model. I define the parameters required for the model, such as number of estimators or learning rate, depending on the algorithm used. And this is the output. You can see the visualization. And the eighth one is like model training. Here, I train the model using the training data set. During this process, the model learns the pattern and the relationship between the input features and the target variable. And this is the output. You can see cluster 2, 3, 4, 5. And the ninth one is like a prediction. In this step, I use the training model to make prediction on the test data set. These predictions are then compared with the actual values to evaluate the model. And the 10th one is to the model evaluation, like displaying the cluster centroids. Here I evaluate the performance of the model using matrices such as accuracy, precision, recalls, or other relevant measures. This helps determine how well the model is performed. And the 11th one is like visualization if present. In this box, I visualize a result using the graphs or plots. Visualization helps in better understanding the model performance and data distribution. And this is the output, as you can see here. And the 12th one is like a final output conclusion step. Finally, I display the result and summarize the model performance. This completes the implementation of the machine learning model. In conclusion, this experiment demonstrates the complete process of building a machine learning model, including a pre-processing, training, prediction, and evaluation. It helps in understanding how data-driven models are developed and analyzed. Thank you.